LIFE ACER sliding gate opener. Complete control board wiring. Hello everyone. Welcome back to Auto Door Surgeon. In today's video, I'll explain the LIFE ACER sliding gate opener control board wiring terminals step by step. By the end of this video, you'll understand the purpose of every terminal, how to connect accessories safely, and the correct wiring for photocells, push buttons, flasher, courtesy light, and power supply. Let's get started. Safety first. Before touching the control board, always switch OFF the 230V main power. Never connect or disconnect wires while power is on. Follow all electrical safety procedures. After wiring, double-check every terminal before energizing the board. Terminal 1 and 2. Antenna connection. These two terminals are used for the radio receiver antenna. Terminal 1 is antenna shield, RG58 cable shield. Terminal 2 is antenna signal. Using an external antenna increases remote control operating distance. Terminal 6. Common command. Terminal 6 is the common terminal. Almost every command input shares this terminal, including stop, open, close, step by step and photo. Whenever you connect any push button or safety device, Terminal 6 acts as the common reference. Terminal 6 and 7. Stop input. This is a normally closed, NC, safety input. Purpose. Emergency stop button. Safety switch. If this circuit opens, the gate immediately stops. Automatic closing is disabled. Movement resumes only after a new command. Important. If no stop device is installed, keep the factory jumper between terminals 6 and 7, terminal 6 and 8. Open command. This is a normally open, NO, input. Connecting a push button between terminals 6 and 8 gives an open command. When pressed, the gate opens. Perfect for exit button, wall push button, access control system, terminal 6 and 9. Close command. This is another normally open input. Connecting a button between 6 and 9 commands the gate to close. Normally used with separate close button. Control systems. Terminal 6 and 10. Step by step. One of the most commonly used terminals. It operates using one push button or receiver contact. Every press changes the gate operation. Press one time is open, when gate closed. Press second time stop, while door moving. Press 3 time is door now closing close. Press 4 time gate is stop again. Connection of photocell. This is single pair of photocell with terminals. First connect the power supply of photocell. Terminal 14 and 15 is 24-volt AC accessory output power supply. Provides 24-volt AC and maximum current 200 mA. Used to power accessories like photocells, radio receivers, and sensors. Always check accessory current requirements before connecting. After power supply done, now connect safety. Terminal 6 and 11 is photo 1. This is a normally closed photocell input. The purpose is protects people and vehicles. If the photocell beam is interrupted, the gate stops during opening and closing. When the beam becomes clear, the gate continues operation. If no photocells are installed, leave the jumper between 6 and 11. Terminal 6 and 12 is photo safety. Another normally closed safety input. Difference. During opening, the photocell has no effect. During closing, if someone interrupts the beam, the gate immediately reverses and fully opens. Again, if unused, keep the jumper installed. Terminal 17 and 19. Flashing light terminals. The output is 230 volt AC and maximum loads 25 watts. The flasher works whenever the gate is moving, warning pedestrians and vehicles. Terminal 18 and 19 is courtesy light. The output is 230 volt AC, maximum 40 watts. This output can power courtesy lamp or garage light. Depending on programming, it may also operate a cooling fan. Main power supply. These terminals receive 230 volt AC 50/60 Hz. Connect live wire and neutral wire to these two terminals. Always verify mains voltage before connecting. Pedestrian opening function. The LIFE ACER control board also supports pedestrian opening.
To activate it, connect a jumper between terminals 8 and 9. Connect through a push button to terminal 6.
The gate opens only partially, allowing a person to walk through without opening the gate completely. Important notes.
Remember, stop and PHOTO inputs are normally closed. Open, close, and step inputs are normally open. Never remove factory jumpers unless connecting the actual safety devices. Incorrect wiring of safety inputs prevents the gate from operating. That's the complete wiring explanation of the LIFE ACER Sliding Gate Operator Control Board. If this tutorial helped you understand every terminal, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe to Auto Door Surgeon for more automatic gate wiring, programming, troubleshooting, and installation videos. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.